everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're off to Ben's Bikes Racing to fit the wideband sensor. We did the welding the other day and got the bung put in, and there's some auto tuning for the big bore exhaust, the bigger air cleaner and things like that. It's basically a dyno on your phone. Before we get to Ben's, I'll give you an update of what's actually going on with the bike or what we've done to the bike. So it's got a Takagawa 145 big bore kit. It's got the inlet cam, a Takagawa, which comes in the kit. Also we've got the Guitarco high volume oil pump, Guitarco heavy duty clutch springs, Guitarco I look it down it, oil cooler to help with a bit of cooling on that, and mate, you can get a bus through there. So as you know, the bike has got the NK Racing big bore exhaust, which has deleted the two restrictors inside. They're like a honeycomb circular one after the other lapping in. They've been removed with the stainless NK Racing front header system. Still running the original muffler, which so keeps it nice and quiet, but it definitely opens up a lot quicker and gets to 9.5, yeah, a lot smoother. Top speed still the same, but I think that could be down to internal gearing. I have changed the gearing, front and rear, but you know, it's 60 something mile an hour, still fast enough for this. I think it's fast enough. Well, that went quite smoothly, absolutely fantastic. The boys down here did a fantastic job. Set the wideband sensor down at Ben's Bikes Racing in Belvedere. If you're looking to get some engine modifications done or any kind of advice there, give them a ring here and yeah, they'll sort you out. I'll show you the number up there, eh? Everything you want, 4 valve heads, big bores, everything like that. Guys, absolute knowledge on here, fantastic service, A class, love it. Yeah. Ben and Joss. Go check them out. Ben's Bike Racing, Belvedere.